Dogecoin jumps above 10% in a day. Is Doge price pump on the horizon? Let's check out good old Dogecoin right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As the cryptocurrency market is finally waking up from weeks long of dormancy, multiple assets are logging double-digit gains, including Tesla, CEO Elon Musk's favorite digital asset, yes, you know, Dogecoin. Indeed, Dogecoin is recording increases on its daily and weekly charts, gaining 10%, actually 10.96% in the past 24 hours, and 11.55% compared to 7 days ago, according to the data retrieved by Finbold on October 26th. You see the chart, you see it's been down for so long in October, well, I would say October 20th, and you see October 26th, it's starting to move up a little bit. Now, Doge analytics or technical analysis at the same time, indicators are all looking very positive as the summary aligns with a buy sentiment at 15, and upon further breakdown also suggests buying Doge at 3, whereas moving averages MA technicals point to a strong sell at 12. So just beware of that. Here's the buy signal, and there's the 12. Now, bullish future on Doge, we'll see. Meanwhile, Dogecoin bullish success could be further propped up by the most recent update about Elon Musk on Twitter, the Twitter purchase deal, which the billionaire plans to close by October 28th, as he told his co-investors. As a reminder, Tesla boss had changed his mind over estimating about $44 billion due to controversy around the number of bots and spam accounts on the platform not being verifiable, making it difficult to access Twitter prospects. Now, immediately after the news about Musk's U-turn on the deal, Doge whale activity spiked. I do remember this, recording 85 whale transactions involving at least $100,000 and increasing optimism that the token could regain its strength from the 2021 high. So we're going to see what happens with Dogecoin as the market continues to move up these days. And if I go look at coin market cap and go look at the market cap of the crypto as a whole, look at that. That's how much is in the market cap right now, and that's how much in volume. And speaking of Dogecoin is seeing a 0.26%. And when I click on Dogecoin right now, it's 10% of the 24 hours. It is moving up, but we'll see what happens in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you are watching the Clear YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you later.